Hey everyone, it's Chuck with HeavenlyHarvest.com. Today we're going to demonstrate on if Coke can actually clean a battery cable. I have my son's 2009 Chevy Malibu. As you can see, the battery cables are pretty junked up. We're going to put a new battery in there and we're going to pour some Coke on there and see how that works. Alright, throw some Coke on this one. And a little Coke on this one. We're going to let it sit for about 2 minutes. And I'll pause it now and come back. It's only been about 30 seconds, but as you can see, all that gunk is already gone. So I'm going to take a toothbrush and knock off any remaining gunk, and then I'll come back. The Coke worked in 30 seconds. You see those terminals are clean. So all in all, I'll say the Coke experiment works. Thanks for watching.